Hi everyone, now I'm going to talk about paragraph Latin and lesson. Every day my pronunciation gets better. Every day my vocabulary increases. Every day my confidence grows. Every day I help more people. Crazy English has absolutely changed my life. My English is fluent. My willpower is strong. Crazy English has truly made me a better person. That's why I strongly recommend Crazy English to everyone I meet. Crazy English really works miracles. Now I know I can communicate easily with the world. I know I can successfully reach my goals. I know my future is going to be very bright. I'm in my peace state. Nothing can stop me. No one can stand in my way. Love yourself. Many people admire sports stars and movie stars. Most people love their friends and families. Unfortunately, most people do not love themselves. When we feel down, we don't like ourselves. Sometimes we even hate ourselves. Sometimes we even think about hurting or killing ourselves. This is a serious problem. Start from today. Decide to love yourself. You are unique. You are a gift to this world. You are totally special. Appreciate yourself. Think about all the good qualities. Forgive all your mistakes. Try this every day. Look at yourself in the mirror and say, I love, I love and value myself. Repeat this over and over. Love yourself and you will love your life. Thank you very much. Bye bye.